Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. I thought I'd do like a spend the morning with me. My husband is working most of the day today, so I'm solo parenting. So I'm gonna take Banks to the gym right now because he can go to the daycare for 2 hours and it's a nice little break for me. So that's how we're gonna start the day.
He's so cute with his little backpack on. Pack.
Banks, come here, we have to wash our hands. We're back from the gym, but the first thing I always do is I make us wash our hands because I don't want to get sick. I'm gonna wash my hands first, then you can wash yours. Please don't turn on the dishwasher. Oh, okay, let's wash your hands. What do we do first? Roll up your sleeves. Now we're gonna put soap. Soap. Okay, rub your hands together. Rub. Make sure you clean the back part too. And then do this part. Right here. Yep. You get in between your fingers. Let's rinse it off. Put your hands in the water. Then you can go play. Guys, I literally can't make this up. My dog pooped in the house while we were gone and I didn't realize until Banks stepped in it. It was like hidden in his playroom. I'll show you right now. I already picked up the poop, but his playroom, we left it a mess. So the poop just kind of blended in with all these blocks and Banks totally stepped into it. What? Poop. Yeah, dog poop. And you need to eat lunch and we need to give you a bath now because your foot got yucky all in less than an hour before your nap time. Okay, it's a chicken nugget day. Yes. Chicken nugget. No, that's the compost. We're gonna leave the compost in there. Buckle. You want a buckle? Here you go. I just got Banks chicken nuggets, watermelon, and some carrot chips, and that's like our easy go-to lunch. A fruit, a vegetable, and chicken nuggets. And then I didn't finish my breakfast this morning, so I'm just gonna finish the other half of my Costco muffin. Book. I told you could read the book one time, but then we have to get you ready for your nap. It's time to turn your sound machine on. Yeah, we can read that after your nap, okay? Yeah. Yeah. No nap. Okay. No nap. No, you have to nap. Okay, I just got Banks down for his nap and that was like so stressful. His sound machine stopped working. Like we turned it on and then just turned off. And so I had to rush and find our travel one and plug it in for him. But luckily he did so good. He just like knocked right out. But I'm hoping he sleeps long since he woke up at 5:30 this morning. But while we're on the topic of sound machines, let me know if you guys have recommendations because we've always used the Hatch sound machine and we always have problems with them. The first one just died. The cord stopped working. And then this new one we bought has been having problems like this where you turn it on and it's just automatically turning off. So it's really frustrating because they're like $90 and I don't want to buy another one. So let me know if you have any recommendations. Preferably one that has a nightlight on it because Banks likes a nightlight. So I'm just gonna finish my coffee and then I need to get myself ready. I still look really disgusting from the gym. So I'm gonna wash my face and try and do my hair and get some stuff done. Okay, I got some work done and tidied up the house a little bit, so I'm gonna set up a little activity for Banks because before his nap, he requested a sensory bin, so we're gonna do that. And also, sorry if the lighting's so weird, it's like a super gloomy day. Okay, I decided to do this pom-pom whisk activity. You just put the pom-poms in here, and then Banks can have fun pulling them out. Hopefully. Sometimes I give him an activity and he's like, no, not today. So we'll see. I just want to keep him occupied since it's so rainy outside and we can't do anything. Okay, there's one. Let's see if I can find another activity. I always try to avoid the activities with paint because I don't like getting messy. Oh, what's this? Okay, found a fun one. Okay, hopefully he likes this one. He's supposed to like reach in and grab the flowers with tweezers. So with my luck, he's probably actually just gonna rip all the tape off, but we'll see. And unfortunately, I'm running out of memory on here, so I have to stop recording videos and go delete some. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, but let me know how you liked this style and if you want the vlogs like shorter, longer. I was aiming for around like 10 minutes. I haven't edited this yet, so I have no idea how long it is, but let me know what you guys like and I'll try to do that next time. Also, this little piece of hair is so annoying. Postpartum hair loss sucks. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate all of your support as I'm like navigating long form videos. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.